Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make spicy braised beef. It is so good. It is slow braised with beef broth and onions and spices, and it goes well with mashed potatoes or rice. You can do either one. Absolutely delicious. So I've got everything set out ready to go. I've got my Dutch oven over here heating up on the stove, medium low is what that's on. Yeah, I think everything is good to go. If you hear crunching in the background, that is my pup. He is over here eating. So yeah, let's get this going. Okay guys, for this recipe you're gonna need some beef broth. I just use the beef bouillon powder with a little bit of water. That's what I've got in here. I've got about 3 pounds of beef stew meat, and it's just chunked up, just roughly. It doesn't have to be precise. You're going to need some olive oil, about a tablespoon of butter. I've got 1 onion that I've just got roughly chopped. For spices, you are going to need some chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. Now what I do to my chipotle peppers, I just blend them up in a blender until they get smooth, and it just makes it so much easier to add to anything. So that's what I've got in here. You can use as much or as little as you want to your heat preference. In here I've got salt, pepper, cumin, chili powder, and oregano, and I've got about 3 cloves of garlic that I've just got chopped up, and I think we are good to go. Let's get this going. Okay guys, my pan has heated up very nicely. It's nice and hot. We're going to add in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, to my pot I've just added a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil into the pan, and I've got that nice and well combined. Now we're just going to go ahead and add in our beef. And we're going to brown this up on all sides until it is nice and golden brown on both sides. We'll add a little bit of salt and pepper if you like at this stage. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this browned up, and I will meet you right back here. Okay, so I went ahead and browned the meat and removed it from the pan, and I added about half a cup of the beef broth in here, and I just scraped up all the little stuck-on bits on the bottom. So now we're going to add in our onions. And we're going to give this a mix, and we're going to cook these until they are nice and tender. They don't have to be completely cooked, you know, translucent. You just want them a little bit soft. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I will be right back. Alright guys, it's been about 5 minutes, and my onions have gotten nice and soft. So now we're going to add in our garlic. Give this a mix. And our spices. We're going to toast up these spices for about a minute or so. These spices will become very fragrant, and it will help release all of their delicious flavor. Just keep stirring it so these spices don't burn. This smells absolutely amazing. Alright. Now we're going to add in our chipotle peppers. And we're going to mix this around. Oh, that just smells absolutely amazing. Alright. Now we're going to add the beef and the juices back in. We're going to mix this together so all of this beef gets coated in that wonderful seasoning. I'm going to give my beef broth a stir. I'm going to pour this right in. And stir that around. Now, we're just going to bring this to a boil. And when it comes to a boil, you're going to turn the heat down to low. You're going to put a lid on and you're going to let this cook for about 2.5 hours. The meat will get nice and tender and delicious. Will be absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to do that and I will meet you right back here when it is done. Alright guys, it's been about 2.5 hours and I just removed it and let it cool for about 10 minutes. And it is ready to serve. It's got that deep, rich color, very flavorful. So I've just got some rice and broccoli here. I'm just going to spoon some of this onto the plate like that with some of that broth. It is absolutely delicious. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, you can always go to my blog. I've got it linked down below in the description box for any of the recipes that I post on here. You can find them on my blog and they are easily printable, so you can print them out and keep them. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to tick that little notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.